Good afternoon, folks. I'm Chef Eddy Chacon. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna do a little Italian dish with tuna, beautiful yellowfin tuna, hot Italian sausage, and this is a mixture between chicory and radicchio, two very good Italian staples. Here we have a seasoned breadcrumbs, egg, flour, cherry tomatoes, garlic, onions, olive oil. So first we're gonna start heating up our pan. All right. All right. So what we're gonna do first, you can come here. Like these people see what we're doing. We're taking our tuna. We're gonna dip it in flour. Right? Dip it in flour. Goes in egg. And now we're gonna make like a little well here. Now we put our tuna there. And we're gonna coat our tuna very good. So as you see, our tuna is well coated with this mixture of breadcrumbs and fresh herbs. First thing we're gonna do, folks, let's get our Italian sausage here. Okay? A little bit olive oil, not too much. This is a very simple dish and very, very delicious. You can add a cannellini beans if you want to. Chickpeas be great. Little diced potatoes. But in this case, we're gonna go to the basics and tradition. That's it. Let's do the sausage. Release all the flavor from there. Look at how beautiful. All right. Now, we're going to start with our onions first. Remember, a lot of Italians don't like to mix onions and garlic. You know, it's not right, it's not wrong. I just tell you the way I do it. You know, but a lot of traditional Italian food or Italian chefs don't like to mix garlic and onions. But they are in Italy. We are in the United States, right? So, a little bit of garlic. From this point on, this is gonna go very quick. So, we're gonna get olive oil here. So now, we're gonna get a few beautiful cherry tomatoes from my friend's Liz farm. Okay. Go in there. And at this point, folks, you can add whatever you like. You can add a pasta if you want to. You can add potatoes. Whatever you like. That's Chef Max making me some hoagie rolls for the Hop Garden. All right, now let's start with a mixture. All right, radicchio and chicory. It's going to be a little sweet and a little bitter. So, shall remember that, folks. Okay, now let's get our pan hot here. Because the tuna, we're going to sear it quick. This is not frying tuna. Not such a thing to fry tuna. Not because I put in herb crumbs, that means it's fried. We're going to sear it to get the crumbs golden brown, and we're going to slice the tuna rare. I don't want you guys to say Eddy fried tuna. That's not true. We are not frying the tuna. We just okay. Let's keep cooking that. You see? Shento. Now, we're going to add in a little bit butter. Don't get scared, folks. I don't use much butter like people think I do. That don't believe me, right? Right now, we're going to put a lot of heat in this. Olive oil is good for you. All right here, we're going to start tasting our greens. Wow. So, the pepper. Little pepperoncino. All right, folks. This beautiful mixture is ready. So, we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. And remember, like I told you, this is a little bitter. So you put much as chicory you want and much andice you want. So right here, we're flipping our tuna. See how beautiful? Well, that tuna is ready. So, very simple presentation. We are chefs. We don't buy stuff pre-made. We make our own stuff. The way I train my guys in the kitchen, I teach them everything I know. I don't keep any secrets. They have to know everything. So, this beautiful tomato. Look at how gorgeous this dish is. And if I give you more, it's too much for you. So right now we got this beautiful tuna. So, this is what we're doing, folks. And there you go. There you go. Very something simple. Very delicious. That's how it is, Mr. David. Herring crusted tuna with cherry tomatoes, spicy Italian sausage, chicory, and radicchio, garlic olive oil. Thank you for coming to Alfresco's Kitchen. We appreciate your support. And Chef Eddy Chacon. From my heart to your heart.